Secure is a new installation, then running the administration workstation as the installing user will work as normal, where the user will be automatically logged in with their Windows user account. If Secure is an upgrade, existing basic operators can be migrated to Auth users. Simply attempt to log in with an existing basic operator username and password, and the operator will be automatically migrated to an Auth user. Secure will no longer manage the password for this operator. After logging in, you can create new Secure operators or migrate other existing operators to Auth. Migrating in this case is automatically accomplished when you edit, change any property and then save the operator. Crossfire will push the operator to the Auth service. When using Auth, new and existing operators will require the OAuth identifier field in the operator editor to be filled in. For basic operators, this is the operator's email address. When integrating with external authentication or SAML providers, it will be the email address that corresponds to a user within that system. Once one or more Auth operators exist and one or more of those operators are enabled, the login process for Secure consists of a new login dialog. The exact appearance of that dialog depends on the configured authentication providers. Upon entering a valid username and password for a basic operator and pressing the login button, the operator is validated and the admin opens as the associated operator. As mentioned above, if this was a legacy operator, the operator would be migrated to Auth and Secure would cease to manage the operator's password. To begin, open the administration workstation. Navigate to Options and Tools, then System Variables. Expand the System Operations menu. Set the Allow Basic Auth for Web variable to True and the Enable Enhanced Security variable to False. Additionally, ensure the Allow Web Portal Basic Authentication variable is set to True. Next, you must create at least one basic operator to use for your Auth user. Then navigate to Configuration, then Operator. Click the New button, then enter a name and description. Ensure to check the Enable checkbox. Next, enter a username. Enter a password and repeat in the Confirm Password field. Enter an OAuth identifier. For basic operators, this is the operator's email address. Once complete, click Save and Close. Open SecureIQ from the desktop and enter the username and password you previously configured in Secure 9000 and click Log In.